Alchemy was never meant to be safe. That's why the brave do it, and the smart don't. Lucky you. You're competing against the most ambitious and, let's be honest, the most reckless minds in the kingdom, all trying to become the next Royal Alchemist. You'll take turns rolling dice to gather the elements you need to brew potions, and as your dice pool grows, so do the risks. Push your luck, manipulate the elements, and outplay your rivals by crafting potions of increasing power. Or skip the subtlety and brew the ultimate creation, the Grand Elixir, and claim victory instantly. It's bold, it's brilliant, it's probably not OSHA approved. Every roll is a risk, every potion is a gamble, and every alchemist here is one ingredient away from greatness, or a small tasteful crater. So go on, be bold, be reckless, maybe even become the next Royal Alchemist.